tree's life starts very small. It begins as a tiny seed. This seed holds a big promise. It carries the plan for a future tree. Imagine a giant oak. It once was just a little acorn. Many seeds are very light. They can travel in the wind. Some seeds have wings. These wings help them fly far. Other seeds are tasty for animals. Birds might eat a berry, then they fly away. The seed comes out later. It lands in a new place. This is how forests can spread. For a seed to grow, it needs a good spot. It needs soft earth to rest in. It also needs water to drink. Warmth from the sun helps too. Not every seed finds a perfect home. Many seeds will never become trees. This is part of nature's plan. Only the luckiest seeds will sprout. They wait patiently for the right conditions. Spring is often the time for this. The ground becomes warm and moist. The seed feels this change. The seed has a strong outer layer. This is called the seed coat. It protects the tiny plant inside. Think of it as a safe house. Inside, there is also stored food. This food is like a packed lunch. The baby plant uses this food. It uses it to get its first start before it can make its own food. This stored energy is very important. It gives the first push for life. So the seed waits quietly. It might wait for days, it might wait for months. Some seeds can even wait for years. They are very patient. They are waiting for their signal, the signal to begin their big journey. This journey is from a small seed to a mighty tree in the forest. It is a wonderful transformation. Nature is full of such wonders. When the time is right, the seed wakes up. This is called germination. The seed coat breaks open. A tiny root pushes downwards. It looks for water in the soil. Then a small shoot grows upwards. It reaches for the sunlight. This little plant is now a sprout. It is the very beginning of a tree. It is a fragile new life. It needs a lot of care. Soon, the sprout grows its first leaves. These leaves are very special. They are like little food factories. They use sunlight to make sugar. This sugar is food for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis. It is how plants eat and grow. Even tiny leaves work hard. They help the sprout get bigger. More leaves will grow as it gets stronger. A young tree is called a sapling. Life as a sapling is not easy. There are many dangers around. Hungry animals might want to eat it. Other bigger plants compete for light. They also compete for water. The sapling must be strong. It must fight for its place. Not all saplings survive these challenges. It takes strength and some luck. The sapling works hard to grow taller. Its stem becomes thicker and stronger. It grows more branches and leaves. It wants to reach the sunlight. Sunlight is essential for its food. The more sunlight it gets, the faster it can grow. Year after year, it stretches upwards. It is slowly becoming a young tree. It is leaving its baby stage behind. It is getting ready for a long life. After many years, the sapling becomes a mature tree. This can take 20 years, it can take 50 years. For some trees, it takes even longer. A mature tree is tall and strong. Its trunk is thick and woody. Its branches spread wide. It has a full crown of leaves. It stands proudly in the forest. It has worked hard to reach this stage. It is now a grown-up in the tree world. A mature tree is a master food maker. Its leaves are very busy. They catch sunlight all day long. They take in carbon dioxide from the air. They pull water up from the roots. With these things, they make sugar. This sugar feeds the whole tree. It helps the tree grow new wood. It helps grow new leaves each year. This process also cleans the air for us. Trees give us oxygen to breathe. Mature trees are very important for the forest. They're like big apartment buildings. They provide homes for many creatures. Birds build nests in their branches. Squirrels hide nuts in their holes. Insects live on their bark and leaves. The tree also gives shade. This shade helps smaller plants grow underneath. It keeps the forest floor cool and moist. It is a true community helper. A mature tree also thinks about the future. It produces flowers. These flowers are often beautiful. Bees and other insects help pollinate them. After pollination, seeds begin to form. These seeds will carry life to new places. The tree releases its seeds. Some fall nearby, others travel far away. This is how the forest continues. The tree ensures its family line goes on. Trees can live for a very long time. Some trees become very old. They are like the wise elders of the forest. An old tree might grow slower. Some of its branches might get broken, but it is still full of life. It has seen many seasons pass. It has weathered many storms. It holds many stories in its rings. These old trees are very special. They have a certain dignity. Eventually, even the oldest tree will die. This is a natural part of life. It might be from old age, it could be from a big storm, or perhaps disease weakens it. When it dies, it often falls. A large tree falling makes a big sound. It creates an opening in the forest. Sunlight can now reach the ground. This helps new young plants to grow. Death brings new opportunities for life. The fallen tree is not wasted. It begins a new important job. Fungi start to grow on it. These look like mushrooms. Insects like beetles make tunnels in the wood. They're all helping to break it down. This process is called decay. It might take many years. The hard wood slowly becomes soft. It crumbles back into the earth. This is nature's recycling system. As the tree decays, it gives back to the forest. All the nutrients stored in its wood are released. They go back into the soil. This makes the soil rich and fertile. New seeds can use these nutrients. Young saplings will grow strong here. The old tree helps the next generation. Its body becomes food for new life. The circle of life in the forest is complete. It is a beautiful and endless cycle.